my channel. It's your girl Tay. I'm here with another cooking video. So today we're going to be doing oven baked lemon pepper chicken wings.
Don't forget to subscribe.
So yeah, she said you guys definitely smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe. So we're going to flip this camera around, show you guys the ingredients, and then we're going to hit right into the recipe. Alright, so first things first, I have my McCormick lemon pepper seasoning. I have my complete seasoning right there. I've got some parsley flakes, some onion powder, garlic powder. I have a lemon that I've cut in half because I'm going to use the juice from that. And then, of course, I have one flack of chicken wings that I have already washed. And so, yeah, let's get to seasoning them. All right, y'all, so really quickly, we're going to start off with our all-purpose seasoning. Now, I am an eyeball cook, as I've mentioned in my other cooking videos, so I like to just generously coat my chicken or whatever it is that I'm seasoning very well. I'm adding on some garlic powder. Trying to close it. And some onion powder, and then some parsley flakes, just a little bit of parsley flakes, and then of course we need some lemon pepper, a whole lot of lemon pepper. So I'm going to save some of that because I'm going to need it once the cooking process starts. And then I'm going to squeeze some fresh lemon juice on there. And I'm also going to leave that in there. And then from the other one, actually I should take those out because I got to mix this around really quickly. I need to make sure that my chicken is thoroughly seasoned. Okay, so that's perfect. Just as long as my chicken has a nice even coat on both sides like this, I'm satisfied. It's perfectly fine. It's gonna sit in this, like I said, all night long. All right, so we'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, so it's the next day. It's been a complete 24 hours. I actually got up this morning and went to the store and bought another half of pack of wings because I didn't think this was gonna be enough. And then I have my cookie sheet here, which I brushed some vegetable oil on. And now I'm just going to add my chicken to the cookie sheet. See, these smaller ones are the ones that I went and got this morning. And then just add them in here, and I added a little bit more of the seasoning to them, so they've still had a chance to marinate for quite a while. So I'm going to try to put as many as I can. I don't want to put them too close together, although it's not like there's going to be any expansion. They're actually going to shrink up some, but I don't want the oil or anything to kind of overflow. So we're going to finish this part and move on to the next step. So I've just finished placing them all onto my cookie sheet, as you can see, and I brushed all of them with a light layer of additional vegetable oil. Then I'm going to take some more of my lemon pepper season and then just go and lightly add another layer to the top because I really want these to have a strong lemon pepper flavor. Okay, then I'm going to put these in my preheated oven at 375 for about 20 minutes, and then I'll show you what they look like when they come out. Alright, so I just took them out of the oven. I want to say honestly it's been about 30 to 40 minutes, but they're still not as brown as I would like them to be. So what I'm going to do right now is actually flip them over, add some more seasoning to the other side, and then put them back in the oven probably for another 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, so I'm done flipping them over. I'm just flipping over the last few right here. So as you can tell, completely different color on the other side. They're a lot more lighter on the other side. We definitely want this side not to be as pink as it is. So I'm going to sprinkle on just a tad bit more of lemon pepper seasoning. Lightly coat this side because we want this flavoring to be even. Okay, and then we're going to put them back in the oven. Okay, here we are about 20 minutes later. As you can see, completely different. They're nice and thoroughly cooked all the way through. Okay, so I'm going to plate it up and show you how it looks after. Okay, you guys, so here it is, my lemon pepper chicken. And tonight I'm serving it with broccoli and cheese rice casserole. Delicious. I definitely hope you guys loved my recipe. Come on back and hang out with me at another time. You know I stay in this kitchen cooking with all these kids in this house. But anyways, you guys, definitely smash that like button, share, comment down below, and if you want to become a subscribe. I'm getting ready to sit down and enjoy my meal, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.